My mom is very proud of her zucchinis and this little squash that she grew in her garden. So yeah, they have a big vegetable garden outside. And oh my god, the fish is dying.
Yeah, dead.
He's dead. Mm-hmm. When they're dead, they will float on top.
They'll go upside down.
On top, yeah. Okay. I'm at Yorkdale Shopping Center. It's one of the biggest shopping centers. Well, one of the more popular ones. And they have a lot of expensive shops here, like Tiffany, Jimmy Choo. I'm in front of Louis Vuitton, Bulgari, Ferragamo, Versace. They have some of the cheaper shops too, like Zara, but yeah, they have a lot of the expensive shops here. This is my second day in Toronto, and I went to the face shop, so I have a huge haul for you. On the subway. This is what the subway train looks like.
Next station is Lawrence West.
This is Dundas Square, and there is a Japanese matsuri going on today. A little festival. So, if you're Japanese Canadian, there's a group there called the Japanese Canadian Young Leaders of Toronto. We're walking in a very beautiful neighborhood. This is the Bayview Village neighborhood. And we're looking at houses, we're looking at, you know, what's around, what their neighborhoods look like. And this is one that we kind of researched and we thought about. And, you know, it's a very beautiful neighborhood with parks, with really good schools. Yeah, it's kind of my preferred neighborhood in Toronto. The suburb, in the suburbs, you know, because like for me, I like living, you know, where there are houses, where you see people walking, they have a tennis court there, a park where kids can play, and it's quieter than if you live somewhere downtown. It was okay when I was younger, but as I got older, I realized that I just love this kind of scenery, you know, where it's quieter, you can have barbecues, be friends with neighbors. Look, it's beautiful, eh? Bayview Village Park, and look, people live here, and they had a good idea to put a fence like that, so that, you know, it just opens a space up. But it's beautiful. This is such a beautiful neighborhood. The one who lives there, they have a whole part of the forest behind them. That is really good. Lucky. We're gonna go walking in the park. So I'm filming in my parents' backyard, and the sun's coming in and out. There's the highway behind this little forest over there, but it's really nice here. You can see deer sometimes, rabbits, little animals. At night, of course, there are raccoons and skunks and things. Anyway, so me and Enrico are in Canada, and we've been looking at neighborhoods, we've been shopping, we do plan on doing a lot of different things here. Maybe we're going to go to Niagara-on-the-Lake. Enrico has been to Toronto before, so he's already seen Niagara Falls, CN Tower, those kind of things, the normal touristy things. So, but this time maybe we'll go to the islands and Niagara on the lake and that kind of wine area that's here. The difference that I found is that, well, here it's 34 degrees today in the afternoon, but in Italy when we left, it was 43 degrees in the afternoon. It was really hot. And here it's a lot more dry and there's a lot more humid. So my skin has been feeling really dry, and especially when we're indoors, there's air conditioning. And so in Italy, air conditioning isn't used that much. Even when it is used indoors in some places, it's on very low. Whereas here, Enrico, when he goes shopping and stuff, he feels really cold in the malls because the air conditioner, we use more air conditioning. Not as much as in Japan though, because when I was in Japan, I felt cold. Here, I feel normal, but in Japan, when I was indoors, I felt really, really cold. And you know, yeah, in Japan, they really go overboard with the air conditioning indoors. So in Canada, it's something in the middle between Japan and Italy. So, but Enrico's not used to air conditioning everywhere. So he feels cold when he's indoors. It's kind of hot outside because it's 34, but it's nowhere near as hot as it was in Italy when we left. So we've been relaxing these few days, not really doing that much, but you know, some shopping, some walking around, and mainly relaxing, and later we're gonna do more. So this is my first weekend in Toronto with Enrico, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!